Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, very good morning. Welcome.
Elizabeth.
So I hope you're all set and ready with your Tempest.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Let's get going then. Where is it that we pick up from?
Line 90.
90. Let me just see. Yes, come, let's begin.
May I read, ma'am?
Please start.
And to my state grew stranger, being transported
And
and wrapped in secret studies.
wrapped in secret studies. So now this is, I think we were talking about how we are actually hearing Prospero tell us what all happened, what all he did. He's telling us about his passion. He's telling us that he was very passionate about secret studies. Now, it'll do you good to look through this speech and find there are different words he has been using for magic. I think in the beginning we heard the word art. है ना? Any other word that you can think of that he has used for magic? Miranda or he together, so that in case there is a half mark meaning which is asked. There are three meanings which are asked, 1.5 mark. So in the short questions, you get one question which is just based on meaning. So 1.5 mark are actually kept aside for meaning. Huh? In the whole paper, you have 1.5 mark kept aside for meaning. So, I mean, you can pay attention to some of the meanings closely so that you should be able to not miss out on scoring 1.5 marks also. But if you feel it's too much of pressure on you, to score that 1.5 mark from the meanings of so many words, it's okay. You'll get, maybe you won't get 100%, then you will score 98%. So it's up to you how you want to target. Are you targeting at 100%? Or are you starting from the other side? Maybe I should try and get an 80%, 89, 85, 90. So, you go on increasing your level of attention. And meaning, as I said, I'm reminding you, are for 1.5 mark. So if you really think, no, this is for 1.5 mark, just now I will be investing too much of time, and it's okay, even if I get maybe 1 mark and not all the marks there, it'll be up to you to choose. You need to be very smart investor of time. You have to learn this skill also. That where is it that I can get my complete mark? Say you have a 15-mark question, and you know that okay, if you write here, I get 15. It's more general, and in the short questions you get 1.5 mark for the meaning. In the board you get 3 marks for meanings, but for the half yearly it will be 1.5 mark. So I want to, like I said, art, then it has been called what else? Magic has been called what else? What do you call?
Liberal arts.
Okay, liberal arts. What else? Just now it has been called what? Secret studies. Secret studies. He says, to my state I grew stranger. Now, yesterday we were trying to understand uh, uh, Prospero's character based on what he is telling us about himself. He said that I neglected my duties. I gave all my duties, to him, and I got involved in study of liberal arts. And again, in line 90 also, he's repeating the same thing. To my state, to my duty, I grew stranger. I became a stranger to my own duty. Now, I'm not going to discuss this part again because I think it's very clear to all of us. Yesterday, we spent a lot of time discussing this particular, and I think we all agreed that we found that this was a mistake on Prospero's part. Did we all agree on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Kind of, है ना? We all found that it didn't seem good that a man who is a duke should end up doing this, that I leave my, and interesting part is, I think somewhere in his heart even he knows it. Look at the words he is using. To my state, he knows it's my state, it is my responsibility, है ना? It is my country, like you say. In the evening we have been talking about the country so much, but here the word uses state. To my state, to my dukedom, I became a stranger. I think somewhere he is trying to tell us that he himself feels that I should not have become a stranger to my own state. After all, it was mine and I neglected it. When do you become a stranger? When you have nothing to do with, what's happening. So he says that I became a stranger. It's like you becoming, okay, you becoming a stranger to your own studies and you don't know what's happening. Well, whose fault would that be? If as a teacher I become stranger to the syllabus, or to what the children are doing, or to my teaching, then I think that would be my fault too. So he is using the word, into my state I grew stranger. Why did he become a stranger to his own duty, to his own state? He says, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था what was happening in Milan. If a teacher says, I have no idea what's happening in the classroom, hello. And if a student says, I have no idea what's happening in the school, what is being taught, because I have become a stranger to school, I do not attend classes, I have no idea who the teachers are, I won't ask whose fault would that be. So he says, to my own state, to my own Milan, I became a stranger. I didn't know what was happening, what were the problems they were facing. Was the electricity supply okay in my dukedom? Was the water supply okay in my dukedom? Was everybody safe in my dukedom or not? Were the roads okay in my dukedom or not? He says, I became a stranger to my own dukedom and I had no idea what was happening. Irresponsible?
Yes, ma'am. Because he has given the power to Antonio. That's why I don't know anything.
He doesn't know anything, but then he should have. He should have kept a tap on it. He should have sometime taken out time to see whether what is to be done is happening also or not. Can you imagine how Milan may have been suffering also? People of Milan may have been suffering. There could have been
Yes,
injustice
ma'am.
happening. So, why did this happen? Simple sole reason, being transported, because he says I was totally involved, wrapped, totally involved, totally lost, totally covered in secret studies. I was totally involved in just doing what my interest, what my hobby, what my passion at that time was, and that was magic. I was studying magic. He says, I was so lost in studying my magic, then I had no idea what was happening in Milan. Now he says it like this, but he doesn't realize it that anyone who hears this will say, my goodness, how could you do that? How could you leave your primary duty? I'm just bringing it again in the conversation today, but details of all this we have already done quite in detail yesterday. So I hope you're very clear on this.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
That,
ma'am.
thank you. Thy false uncle. And then he says, you know what your false uncle did? He says, your uncle was false. Uncle was false. All right. What about himself? Uncle was false. Who is the uncle here?
Antonio.
Antonio
Antonio.
was false to Prospero, and Prospero was false
His duties.
Dukedom.
to his dukedom, to his Milan. You know, sometimes we may blame another person, and we think, oh, that's a bigger evil deed a person has done, and you know, my evil deed is very small in comparison. So we kind of, you know, we forget it. No, wrong is a wrong, small or big, other. So Prospero says, Miranda, are you listening? Class 11, are you listening to the story of Prospero?
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
what he wanted to check out. And Satoni, Miranda has gone off to sleep or something, you know. So he says, dost thou attend me? Are you listening to me? So Miranda says, Sir, most heedfully, yes, sir, I am, and with full attention, because your story is such that I cannot but listen to it with attention. There's so much happening in your story. There's so much of history in your story. You know, your story is his story. You know, it is history of Miranda and Prospero and what all had happened. This is, I have to listen every bit of it, you know. I'm very much interested. Please carry on with Prospero's speech.
Being once perfected, how to grant suits, how to deny them.
Who to advance. Now, in this speech, Prospero is telling us all about Antonio. He is going to tell us how Antonio improved in performing his duties, what all he did once he became a substitute duke. He was kind of a substitute duke. He was doing a substitution. Main duke was absent, so he was a substitute duke, like you have substitute teachers. So there was a substitution, and Prospero, mind you, you will realize Prospero somewhere is kind of praising the skill of Antonio, that within no time he learned everything about being a duke. He started doing a lot of things, this, that, and all the other. Maybe wrong also, some right, but at least he started learning what has to be done as a duke. Being once perfected, Antonio became perfect in granting suits, in granting requests. If people came to him, we want this, we want that, you know, we want to create a park there, or we want a children's park here, he became perfect in granting requests, all that were coming to him as a substitute duke. He even learned how to deny the request. He learned which request should be granted, which ought not to be granted, whom to promote, whom not to promote, who is worthy, who can be taken to a higher level, who is not worthy, who is negligent of duties and, you know, needs to be removed. So Prospero says that Antonio very quickly understood all the steps involved in being a duke. Whatever the duke has to do, he understood all that very quickly. Now, is that in favor of Antonio, or that goes against Antonio?
Favor.
It's in favor, very rightly said, Khushi, because he's learning the ropes. He's learning the ropes very well. He's learning his duties very well. Already he's learned how many duties? 4. Granting suits, how to deny, whom to advance, whom to trash, whom to bring down for being overtopping, for being ambitious. If a person is being ruly, if the person is being indisciplined, if the person is behaving, you know, in an unruly manner, then he even learned how to punish that person. So he's learning all the 4 skills we are told here. He's learned quite well and quite fast. That's what he said. Let's go on.
And who to trash for overtopping, new created, the creatures that were mine, I say, or changed them.
Another thing he did, four we have already done, were new created the creatures that were mine, all those whom I had appointed, because I found them worthy. What did he do? He changed them. He brought some different people there. Say if I had, he had appointed ABC as maybe some officer to look after the electricity department. So he removed him and he brought another person whom he found better, or I have no idea why, but he changed all the appointed people, all the people who had been appointed by Prospero, or else new formed them. Oh, sorry, new created the creatures that were mine, that completely changed, all those who were depending on me. He says all the people who used to, I may say, I think the people who used to flatter Prospero, he kind of removed them. He removed them. And maybe he created his own flatterers. Maybe that's what Prospero is trying to say. Or else new formed them. So this was another skill that he had, that he, kind of molded people. He molded them, to do things for him. If they were all the time, doing things for Prospero, he kind of molded them and made them do things for himself. So, he is becoming good at human resource. He's good at molding human resource and putting them to good use. He's learning his ropes very fast, like I said. So this is what Prospero is telling us, that how does Prospero know all this? He was so wrapped in secret studies. How does he know all this? ये बाहर क्या हो रहा है? Because he was so lost in his secret studies.
Ma'am, maybe by his secret agents.
Okay, maybe. Okay, we'll accept that. Maybe he had some of his spies. You're right, because all dukes must be having, and they came and told him, or what? I'm just leaving it as a question for you to think over. That how do you think he must have come to know? And interesting, why I'm asking this. If he came to know this in time, then he should have taken some action. Then he should have come to know, oh, things are getting out of hand, isn't it? Do you think he came to know then only? Or is it later that he realized it?
Yes, ma'am, maybe later.
Later.
Later?
Later.
Good. You people are playing very good detectives. I'm telling you, you people think you have those analytical skills. That's why I'm trying to build in you analytical skills in which you think from the given data. Given data is he's talking of all this. So only thing is he got to know this when he was doing the secret studies at that time. If he got to know them then he should have taken action. Anyone would, when he'll say, "अरे ये सारा सब बदल रहा है, ये तो सारे लोगों को बदल दिया इसने." Probably he should have thought, "छोड़ो अभी studies, let me get out and get action." But or was he so ignorant? He says, "होने दो." Bad. Then though I think he deserved to be thrown out. Number one track. Number two, maybe he was so lost in his secret studies that he had no idea, because maybe Antonio even changed his spies, his secret agents, and nobody was there, to go and tell him, or maybe he didn't even entertain anyone, to come because he was so lost in his secret studies. And बाद में जब सब कुछ हो गया, सब बदल गए, and he's thrown out, he's kind of thrown out of his dukedom, and Antonio takes over. बाद में सोचा होगा ये सब, ये क्या हुआ, है ना? Then he must have probably got into that mood कि ये सब क्या हो गया, पता ही नहीं चला अब हो गया. Maybe he did ruminate, he did think about it, but when it was pretty late, it was pretty late. So you've got two track of mind. If you have another third, you've got a third take on this, on this detective case कि नहीं मैं सोचती हूँ ये तो ऐसे ऐसे हुआ होगा. You're most welcome to share. So far I could think of only two. Let's go on. देखें और क्या हो रहा है बाहर. He is so involved in his secret studies. Let's see what else is happening. Yes.
Or else you form them, having both the key of officer and office.
Now the thing was, he had the key. He had all the power. Key here doesn't mean chabi tala. It means he has all the power to change any duty, anyone. He can bring his favorites. He can remove a very worthy person and just make, sometimes I'll say, maybe some of us, some teachers, maybe, we get partial, and we may just make a particular person as monitor, because I don't know, it happens, after all, human teachers are human beings, and they may also commit this wrong. And I don't know if you ever felt that, no, the teacher is partial, and always wo to apne wale ko aisa kar lete hain. So this is what Antonio is doing here, that he has the key to both officer and the office. Office means duty. So whatever duty he wants, he is giving to whomever he thinks, will favor him. Quite possible. Yes, let's go on.
Set all hearts eye the state to what tune pleased his ear.
And he set all the hearts, he set the hearts of the people to the tune that pleased his ear. In other words, he made everyone listen to what he used to say. He set the hearts. He just won over people. He just won over people. Maybe he did favors or whatever. He just won over people. Now, I do not know winning over people is a positive quality or a negative. I have no idea here. Because even in do you think Antonio is very evil here in this speech?
No, ma'am.
Does he seem evil in this speech anywhere?
No, ma'am. I don't.
I mean, totally evil. Maybe he is what? He is trashing for overtopping. So I think it's okay, because a person is becoming unruly, a person is becoming indisciplined and highly ambitious. He's trashing, he's punishing. So I think, I don't know if that's evil or acceptable to some extent. I leave this to you to go over the speech again and think, is Anthony really evil here? Is there anything that Prospero is telling us is evil? I have no idea. Because I think, especially this line, what she just read, said all hearts, all hearts. Now, हम किसी को दिल यूं ही नहीं दे देते. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
The heart will be won by us. Right? You start liking anything and anyone just like that. No. वो जना वो जना बहुत कुछ होना पड़ता है, तब हम जाके उस जगह को कहते हैं हमें आप पसंद है. Am I right? Hearts. Hearts cannot be won
Yes,
easily.
ma'am.
Hearts cannot be won easily. It's very difficult that a person will say that you are nice, I like you. And that means उस जने में कोई क्वालिटी होगी, तब हम कह पाते हैं उस जने को that no, we like you. When do we say we like you is because that person is worthy. We found can we fool the heart? Can your heart
No,
be
ma'am.
fooled? You agree? I think nobody can fool hearts. हम लोग फ्लैटरी कर लेंगे, थोड़ा सा झूठ बोल देंगे, नहीं नहीं आप बहुत अच्छे हैं, ये सब है, बट देन बिहाइंड द बैक से नहीं, इतना अच्छा नहीं. हमने सामने तो डर के मारे वी मे स्पीक और नॉट स्पीक और डू दिस, बट इन आवर हार्ट्स वी डू नॉट लाइक द पर्सन, बट इन आवर हार्ट इफ वी लाइक अ पर्सन. This is what I'm trying to understand here for a second. That he Prospero बता रही है, Antonio भी नहीं बता रही है. Prospero कह रहे हैं that He won all hearts. Oh my goodness. If he has won hearts in no time, abhi abhi to aaye ho, और hearts भी जीत लिए, then Antonio must be pretty good, क्योंकि दिल तो यूं नहीं जीत सकता. And Prospero is saying he set all hearts in the state to what tune pleased his ear. People were all following him. They were all doing what he wanted. Now, can you get to do people what you want just like that?
No, ma'am.
I don't think
No, ma'am.
people will only end up doing something for you if they really are convinced, or if they really like a person, then they'll say, no, when this person is saying something, it means, it must be something good. I don't know, this line is where I think about Antonio's character, and I do not know whether to call him evil here, to call him evil here. Now remember this point here, that there is a time when, if you agree with me, then there is a time that we do find Antonio not evil also. We have found him foul-mouthed. We have found him very irritable. We have found him ill-tempered, understood. And then we heard that he's perfidious, all right. But then another version, another thing, that same person, Prospero, who called him perfidious, is telling us so many qualities. अनजाने में वो उनकी तारीफ कर रहे हम, that Prospero didn't want to praise him, but the way he said it, I feel, 50% of it can be taken as a praise. At least that's my opinion. I leave it to you, how you assess and characterize Antonio from this speech. Let's move on.
That now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk.
Which had hid my princely trunk. Now, okay, let's have a little visual. What do you know? Visual. Let's have ivy plant. If any one of you can get it for us, and you'll enjoy looking at it. It's about an ivy climber. It's a climber. Bale hoti hai. It's a climber, and it covers up the trunk of a tree completely. It goes around, and something like a money plant. है ना, ये bale है. ये तो अभी बहुत sparse है, something. So it goes winding, 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 winding. What happens? The ivy is so much. The climber is so much that the trunk is not visible. If any one of you can get this visual, that ivy climber, IVY, ivy is the name of the plant, and biosection, so it will do you good to see it. You will enjoy looking. Have you seen this plant? Not very
Ma'am,
much found
please
in India.
enable the
Please enable.
Oh,
sunshade.
yeah. I said it and then I forgot this part. Yeah. Ivy climbing a tree. Ivy climbing a tree. So then we can understand. Haven't seen an ivy for a long time. Maybe ivy देखेंगे. बहुत दिन हो गए देखे हुए. We don't get to see this in India so much. Yes. On a trunk karo, on a tree. Ivy climbing a tree karo. Let's see it on a climbing a tree. It's just like a money plant thing. Um, okay. Let's see that house. Let's see that house first. I enjoyed looking at that house also. Just click on that house. That house is completely covered with ivy. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have a closer view?
Yes, ma'am.
This is beautiful. This I've never seen. Oh my goodness me. What a lovely pic you've taken out. Who's this on the screen? I don't know. This is lovely. Are you showing us a fuller version
Ma'am,
of
it's
this?
not coming.
It's not coming, but you can all see. Can you enjoy that picture? Ivy is so much that the building is hidden, isn't it? But only by the window we can make out that this must be a house, but actually, can you see the walls? No. Can you see the walls here? I don't think so we can see the walls here at all. It's completely covered. It's completely covered with the ivy. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, what a treat! It is to the senses here. At least I feel like that it's a treat to the senses. So this is where ivy is completely hiding the house. This is even better than the tree imagery used by Prospero. So just keep it there. I'm enjoying it. Let me see if I can enlarge it, and we can all have a little better look at it. Yes, I think so. Ivy क्या कर रहा है? Are you understanding what is ivy doing? Ivy is hiding on which it is climbing. Now, ivy is a climber and it needs some kind of some support to climb. Ivy has climbed the whole house. And interestingly, what? सारा का सारा दीवारें जिस पर वो चढ़ रहे थे, वो all the walls are hidden. And now only what can you see?
Ivy.
Only ivy. Only ivy is what you can see. Is what, I don't know if you understand Prospero, what is the imagery, what is the simile that Prospero is trying to use here. Who is the ivy here, according to Prospero?
Antonio.
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 Smart, very smart. Oh, I sounded like what? Robert, very smart. Smart answer. So it became easy. See, visuals at times really help. Thank you. Who was that? Prashansa? Or Kushi? I don't know. I have no idea. I should
No,
take
ma'am,
names.
Srishti.
Wow. So this was Srishti. Thank you, Srishti. This is like a lovely treat, at least to me, because this I had never seen. And now it's giving me an idea that I may try and do this on my house.
Welcome, ma'am.
This is like giving me ideas that how we can have the whole house covered in green. This is like you made my day, morning. You made my morning. पूरे दिन में तो पता नहीं क्या क्या और अच्छा हो जाएगा. So इसलिए you made my morning as of now. So exactly, my children, you've already got it before I am going to speak, and that is, this is Antonio. Antonio छा गए. Antonio छा गए. Is that Antonio's fault? Is that Antonio's fault?
No, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing that picture. Thank you for sharing that picture. I mean, it's a feast to my eyes. It's a feast to my eyes. कितना ठंडा रहता होगा ये घर. I think, yeah, let's remove it. I'm getting too tempted to look at it again and again. This is such a just like you feel like looking at it. I feel, look at the windows. है ना? Interesting. Anyways, I think thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm taking the screenshot.
Yeah, please do it. Please do it. Please do it. That will be wonderful. Thank you so much.
I'll send you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. That's such a lovely, really a lovely gift, And I'm happy that all of you enjoyed looking at it and understood even before I opened my mouth to say anything. So he says what? That he became the ivy. I was the princely trunk. I was actually the trunk, that he was climbing on. I was the support he was taking, climbing on. And the parasite, he was the parasite, and now it's the parasite which is visible all over, 11A biosection, right? So he says, Antonio, ऐसे तो नहीं बोल रहे होंगे, एंटोनियो छा गए. आई एम श्योर ऐसे नहीं बोले होंगे, ये तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो जाएगा. हाउ डू यू थिंक ही मस्ट हैव स्पोकन? With what kind of an expression in his voice?
एंटोनियो तो छा गया.
और गुस्से में करो, और चिड़चिड़ करो. With that crinkling of the nose also. मालूम है क्या करो? सब जगह छा गया. He made people forget me. Whose fault?
Prospero.
अच्छा, शिवा के में केवल 3.
And that is the interesting part, my dear children, I'm trying to point out. Prospero is good, and now he's so negligent of his duties, we understand. Interesting. Antonio, when we met him in Act 1, Scene 1.
Ma'am, he has done one mistake and lost everything.
Exactly. You wonderful. And who is this?
Ma'am, Khushi Gaur.
Khushi Gaur, you've stolen the question of my mouth. I was about to give you this question. That कभी कभी जिंदगी में एक गलती सब बदल दे. One thought can change the entire track of your life. Do you agree? Refer closely to Prospero's life and elucidate. I said, you've stolen the question from my mouth. I was just going to frame. It was like coming in, like I say, my master sitting up, keeps sending a lot of these. I keep it open. यहाँ मैं antenna खुला रखती हूँ. Receive कर लेते हैं. अभी तो आपने receive कर लिया. Have you noted the question, by the way? See, don't wait. I'm not going to make it, hello, let's take a break. Please know the question. Come on, you've all matured up now. And moment the way, and interestingly, you know it now. I'm not the only one making questions. It's you people making questions now. Already it has started, isn't it? कल तक तो छोटे वाले बन रहे थे. You people were designing short questions. And today now already you see, you've started designing long questions too. Wow, that's wonderful. My job has become easier. Soon I'll be out of job. Huh? What? Ivy will hide everything. And I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy to be hidden and you all taking up everything. I would be happy. Proud, happy that you could design, you could speak something which actually became a question, a very important question. Another thing I'm trying to say, I'm coming to another part before going ahead. Tell me about this. Now, Antonio, we found him a little ill-tempered, irritable, and, kind of little evil, we have been told by Prospero, perfidious, right? Do you think he's evil all the time?
No, ma'am.
Is he evil all the time? In this speech, do you think he's evil all the
No,
time?
ma'am.
He
No,
says
that's
No, ma'am.
he's not. So can we
He has too many qualities.
He has too many qualities. And in a different balance, I'm trying to come to something like this. So do you think a person can be called totally black? Or a person is normally not black, but shades of gray? He has shades. Totally black would be only evil.
One character.
Only one quality dominant. Tell me one thing I've often wondered. In fact, it was one of the pickpockets long back that I had a talk with. He was picking up a pocket in a bus, when I was in college, and kind of asked him. So he said, मैं इसलिए जेब कतर रहा था. मैंने उसको जब पकड़ लिया तो I didn't take him to the police. I just talked to him. I said, ये क्यों कतरी जेब? He says, मेरे बच्चे की फीस भरनी थी मुझे. And I didn't know what to say to him. This was when I was in Delhi college, and I saw him doing it, and I asked him. I caught him. He by his eyes, said to me like this, So I stayed quiet. I didn't shout. I didn't tell anyone. I said, he's saying something by his eyes. Let me just listen. It was a big risk. I was a young girl, and like big risk. But just thought. And then when he got down from the bus,